So I've edited it again, and in the dimension, in the earlier case I've given a unit of 1 over here. Let me increase the dimension to 2 and see what is the way the blocks are getting arranged. I'll just press OK. So in the beginning it is well and good, but on the right hand side you can see that there is an intersection of the blocks. Clear? Because the diameter of the block has increased and they are getting coincided or intersected with the other blocks. Right? Now when I'm editing the pattern, you can go to options over here, and there are two options for regeneration. The general one is the general, which is selected by default, and if I'm selecting the variable, you can see a change. You can observe that the pattern will not be created. So I'm getting a failed feature right now. So I'm getting a message also. So the reason for this is when there is an intersection of the blocks, and if I'm working with the variable, the pattern will not be generated. Clear? So I'll just try to reduce the incremental height to 1. Maybe in the 1 units we were not having an intersection in the blocks. I'll just press OK, and under the variable I'm getting the blocks on the screen. So in this particular case there is no intersection between the blocks. That is the reason it has generated. Whereas in the variable case, if the blocks or the instances are having any intersections between each other, they will not be created. So this is what I wanted to discuss. There's another option over here, and I'll just edit it. The next option is identical, and this will convert all the blocks identical to each other. So this will not allow us to vary the lengths or the diameters. It has to be created. I mean, if we wanted to create an identical feature, we can simply go to identical and we can just create it. So the general or the default one is better. And most commonly, I've never utilized the usage of this particular dimension pattern, but it is interesting to note the features and understand what are the different options under it, because most of the times I have utilized either direction pattern or axis pattern, because these are the most commonly used in different applications as well. So let us move forward and discuss the direction pattern in the next video.